Hello everyone, welcome back to another BLOXD video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can make a popular BLOXD server. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, join my Discord server, link in the description, and subscribe my channel. And in the end, if you like this video, so like and comment and share with your Discord friend or any friend so they can also enjoy this video. So let's start the video. So there is 3 steps to make a popular server. I'm going to teach you step by step. So let's see what is the first step to make a popular server. First, create your own lobby and don't use any emoji on your lobby name, and try to name your lobby classic, like not like something PvP me Kia or something bad, like classy. Like I named my server Johart and it's a classic name. You can name your server classic like stringer.ffa, BLOXD, like don't use any emojis, just name it classic like deluxe or anything classic. So the second step is build your server. Build like so interesting so players who join your server they stay and like your server. Like there's a server named stringer.ffa. These have a lot of big builds, and you if you join for the first time, you need like 5 or 10 minutes to just explore the server. So if you build good, player will stay more. So second step is just build your server very good. So third step is make a good spawn and make press to get signs. I'm making a PvP server, so I'm adding signs like press to get and your item name. Like if you want plum pear or anything in this game, just press to get and the item name, and make like this. You can see make a good spawn like this, and after making spawn, like there is a command so the your server come to browse, stand where you want to set spawn and type /set spawn and enter there, and player when join they join in the gold block, and type /toggle open. So this open, and you need a good description, and type description and add an interesting description, so if someone read this they will just they have some interest to join this server and see what's inside. Like you can use emojis to description so players will attract more. People don't know how to add emoji on description. Like you can write emoji on WhatsApp or any YouTube comments or Discord and copy it and paste it in game and make a description with emoji. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Apply these things in your server and just see is your server get popular or not. And